A comforting classic grilled cheese is not rocket science, but there are a few tips and tricks you can employ to ensure perfect, melty, toasty deliciousness. The ingredients are simple: white bread, 2 to 3 slices of cheese, and unsalted butter. But just like the Choose Your Own Adventure book you bought with a pocket full of crumpled up dollar bills at the Scholastic Book Fair back in 2nd grade, your choices here do matter. First off, a good quality fluffy white bread, like my favorite brand here, wipes the floor with the anemic cardboard store brand stuff, and is well worth a $2 upgrade in my humble opinion. Next, leave the Gouda Brie and Gruyere for the overpriced hipster grilled cheese food truck where they belong. It's gotta be cheap, crappy American cheese singles or bust on this guy. Because of the emulsifying salts added, American cheese quickly melts into unparalleled gooey, glossy magic. Will never break into an oily mess, and before you at me in the comment section below, yes, American cheese is real cheese, and I will leave some information for you in the description to convince you. Start by melting a little less than a tablespoon of butter over medium heat until frothy, then add your bread, moving the slices around to coat them evenly. When the bread is lightly toasted after about a minute, turn the heat down to medium-low, take it out of the pan, place it toasted side up on a cutting board or plate, add a few slices of cheese to one side, then close the sandwich. Melt 1/2 of a tablespoon of butter in your pan, then add your sandwich and toast the first side for about 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Lift the sandwich out of the pan with a spatula, add another little pat of butter, then toast the second side for another 2 to 3 minutes until fully toasted, melty, and you're done. My mom used to add a little pinch of salt and a few cranks of black pepper over the top before serving it, so I always do the same before cutting it diagonally and taking a big bite. That immediately brings me back to running into my house after school, sliding my backpack recklessly across the floor, and having an afternoon snack while telling her all about my day. And there are days when I really need the pick-me-up that comes along with plopping down on the floor of my living room, chowing down on a sentimental meal, and throwing on my favorite crew of nerdy-ass voice actors who sit around and play Dungeons and Dragons. I'm sure you're the same way. Days where pulling ourselves out of bed in the morning is an effort. Or times when we're driving to or from work feeling deflated from a job that feels like a total waste of time. Or maybe we're just missing the person that used to make us a grilled cheese sandwich or beg for a piece to eat. It's been kind of a bad week and I've been feeling down and not really motivated to work on a video. So I kind of just wanted to make one to touch on how important these little pockets of joy are. This channel is a huge one for me, and I can't thank the handful of you who routinely chat with me in the comments enough. I have visions of growing the community side of things as the channel hopefully grows in the future. Thoughts of a Zoom cookbook club and live streams with a call-in number where we can meal prep and chat about cooking tips together. One day at a time, I suppose, though. But anyway, I just wanted to say thanks again for watching, and as always, later, nerds.